Hello and welcome. This is Siddharth Shah. Welcome to our exclusive interviews of success stories where people are achieving great results by doing our programs and they are entering our exclusive club, which is called the Carnegie Success Club. So today we have got a very interesting personality with me, and I'm really truly honored and privileged to have Mr. Kunal Munsif. He's a corporate veteran having more than 17 years of experience in corporate world, and he's got a whole host of degrees after his name. So I really am honored and privileged to have Kunal in our academy. And welcome, Kunal, to this particular interview.
Yeah, good evening, Siddharth. Thank you so much for inviting me. So it's my pleasure to be part of this discussion.
Of course, great, thank you. So Kunal, before we actually begin the entire the structure of how exactly what happened after you joined Think and Grow Rich, just tell us a brief background about yourself, so that what has been your experience like in corporate world, and what have been your education qualification, if you would like to share, and anything, just your achievements basically. Yeah.
Yeah, so Sana, like I have more than 17 years of corporate world experience into the arena of finance, accounts, taxation, audit,
Hmm.
and Sana, with the grace of a God, Sana, like I was climbing to the corporate ladder successfully till now.
Hmm.
And even on my front, from I have my family, my spouse, my two kids, and we are really doing good. And even on a personal front, I have a hobby of bird watching and photography, so
Wow.
which makes me keep busy during the weekends. Definitely
Yes.
now during last 2 months we are not able to go out of lockdown, but
Sure. Sure. Sure.
that really keep me going in the life and keep doing my best.
Sure.
So yeah, so there were uh, no real big issues which I had in my life either at personal level or professional level
Yes.
before joining the particular course.
Okay, great. So that's very nice, and you are a blessed man, and I'm really happy to see your past experiences. So tell me exactly that how did your capabilities of taking new projects, your confidence level, and maybe your ambitions and aspirations altered after you entered the program of Think and Grow Rich?
Yeah. So, Sana, like at that same time, like when I said, yeah, there were no real big issues, but definitely, Sana, I wanted to achieve much more, and I wanted to excel in my life, Sana, at personal and professional front. And Sana, before joining the course, I was doubting on Sana my capabilities. Uh, Generally, like it is heard, Sana, sky is the limit and everything, but somehow, Sana,
Mm.
some forces used to sort of stop me or
Sure,
saying that you cannot think such big. Are you
sure.
crazy? Are you mad? So then,
Yeah.
like, was having the that particular pattern in the mind. So
Right.
that's I think that's really one thing which has changed after joining this course. Like I become quite positive, and special
Absolutely.
thanks to you and the
Most welcome.
way you have conducted this course and the way you have structured. It is really helping a lot.
Thank you so much. So, can you just share that what were the few important learnings in your daily routine which you have started to follow after joining the academy, and what has been the impact of doing those things? So just some important things which you have learned.
Yes. So, one of the thing I always wanted, my one of the personal goal was to get up early in the morning at 5 a.m. and which is
Yeah,
inspired from the Robin Sharma 5 a.m. club.
of course.
However, due to some reasons, I was not able to keep it up that promise,
Yeah,
and I now realize, all those are excuses. Just I was just figuring out or blaming someone else for not doing. So one of the key achievements which I felt is that I found a lot of like-minded people in this
mm,
academy. There were a lot of support which were made available to me in this, and with the support of a group, I was
yeah,
able to do that now. And now most of the days I am able to get up 5 a.m. in the morning. So
amazing.
like I feel my long pending wishes finally get fulfilled.
Welcome to the 5 a.m. club, and that's what it is. And all the best achievers in the world, it said that they are early risers, and that's where
Yes.
you are there. You are already an achiever, and you are on the higher paths of achievement. Yes, the group which we have formed, the participants across India are supporting each other, and that's the mastermind which we have formed, and that's the inspiration which is going to come across. Can you just share something about maybe the way the program is structured? Because maybe you have done many programs and trainings for a day or two, or maybe longer. But what is so special about this program, the Ultimate Success Formula online program, which you really found it different from what other training programs which you have done earlier?
Yeah. So, Sana, like, if I just need to pick two or three,
Yeah.
then one will be definitely the accountability partner,
Hmm.
which we have, Sana, in this program. I always believe that the buddy concept really works well. Sana, whether it is a
Absolutely.
corporate training or a normal training, if it has to be successful, Sana, there has to be a sort of a buddy mechanism should be there. So that I really liked much about this program. So, we have accountability partner, and
Yes.
again, so, it's walk the talk. It's not
Yes.
just on a paper. So now
Yes.
we each of us make sure that we follow that, and so now every members also
Yes.
have a accountability partner during the calls. Also, you mentioned the importance
Yes.
of that, and
Yes.
yeah, so Sana, that was one thing which is really quite unique. And also another thing, Sana, I haven't seen any course, to be very frank, Sana, with a duration of a 90 days. So that's really like, Sana, it's amazing. Like, so generally you do a training of a day to, at times you have a 7 days training. And
Yeah.
what happens? Your learning gets limited for a few days, few weeks, or few months.
Yeah.
Sana, generally it's a human psychology. Once you
Yes.
don't practice it on a regular basis, you
Yes.
lose to learn whatever you have acquired during a training course. So I think another USP is that for 90 days, this course is keeping like-minded people
Mm.
together with each other, and it's a more of a practical course, where uh, we more rely on our actions rather than just theory. And at the same time, it does not take a lot of time to implement
Yeah.
whatever has been taught in the
Yeah.
training.
Yeah, amazing. So I think you got the real gist of it, that the way it is designed, the 90 days. So every day there's a little bit done, and when you see that little bit going, and then the entire thing gets really falling into place. Yeah, that's the real essence, the way we've designed the program, so that you are making a difference in your life. Wonderful, very nice.
Yeah, and so once again, Siddharth, thanks to you and our entire team, because I know that
Yeah.
it's not easy to keep at the same time audience busy for 90 days. People struggle to keep even for a couple of hours. It's a
Yes, yes,
difficult
yes.
task.
Yeah.
Whereas like you are doing this for a 90 days, so that's really hats off to you and your
Thank you.
entire team.
Thank you. It's all because of your love, and because of you applying this and finding the difference in your life, that keeps me keep on going on, going on, going on. Yeah. So thank you so much for that, for your kind words. So Kunal, let me ask you. You are a high ambitious person, and you have been there, done that in the corporate world, and I know your goals which you have outlined with me in the future, what you want to achieve in your life. So. What's next for you? I mean, Think and Grow is now going to be there with you. You have got that mindset. You know that you can create the circumstances, and you have the attitude. The mindset is the key, not the knowledge part. So, what is next for you? If you can just give some glimpse of it, so that will be inspiring.
Yeah, so first of all, I would again, would like to keep practicing. I do not want to stop again, at a 90 days or even after that. So I
Yeah,
want to make this as a part of my life.
sure, sure.
So that's the one part. And I think again, certain basics which you talk about, for example, honor your words. I
Yeah,
used to follow that, but now again, it has been re-emphasized, and you have made sure, like, assure us, ki, yes, this is a really important thing, and we should stick to that. So
correct.
there are a lot of such thought process which
Mhm.
were like, might be a person was in a doubt whether to continue with this after
Yeah,
a certain age, or now we have done enough, can we stop that? So definitely, that's, I think, that I'm going to follow. And even within my circle, my family, friends, and networking,
yes,
uh, I will expect the same from the others. And another thing is that uh, this program has sort of taught me a lot of myths which is like I was having in mind. So
Mhm.
this program has clarified that. So that
Amazing.
is another thing, and like applied faith, money consciousness, whatever we
Yes.
talks about. So
Yes.
I will make sure that like I implement that on a day-to-day basis, and it doesn't remain
Yes.
just on the paper.
Yes.
And definitely at the same time, like I started recommending this course to my known networks
Sure.
because I know the power of this program, and then it can really change anyone's life, whatever stage he or she is.
Of course. Great. Thank you so much for giving referrals. And yes, we need to be a constant learners in this domain, and that's the way we be there in the space and keep on improving ourselves. Great. Thank you. I mean, this is really, really powerful what you have just shared, because I also completely believe that being clear, having, I mean, not having the myths, but having real clarity. Clarity is power, and that's what you just
Yes.
mentioned. Yeah. So, final question, Kunal, that for people who are skeptical, people who maybe just like us, left brainers, chartered accountants, MBAs, and all the left brainers degrees across the visiting cards. For them, they say, how is it possible to think and grow rich? What are you talking of? I mean, talk of logic, talk of reasoning. And we, as you know, having degrees, are doing all this stuff. What do you want to say to those people who are still skeptical and say, oh, this stuff is like hunky dory, it doesn't work? Something which you want to share to them about what is it, your experience?
Yeah, so sir, like now to be very frank with us, before joining the course, I was also a part of that mindset. Yeah,
Okay.
so like too much logical thinking. So
Yes.
now, like just looking for a logic for each and every answer.
Yes.
So my suggestions to everybody is that don't think much about that. For instance, even like in my case, like sort of my section said that this is the course meant for
Mm.
people like us, and it has really benefited. Like we need to ensure that your left brain, right brain, both works. If only
Perfect.
your one type of brain is activated, so you might not able to get a success what you desire. So my sincere request to them is, don't do over analysis. It is very natural to compare certain things, but have a faith. And one of the our learning is that the applied faith. So
Mm.
have a faith in this program, and there is nothing to lose. From the day I joined till today, not a single moment I felt regret. Why I have joined this course. So
Absolutely.
just have a faith and be a part of this wonderful community,
Yeah.
and it will change everyone's life.
Great. Thank you so much, Kunal. It's because of you, wonderful people like you, who has made our community wonderful. Because we completely believe that as we are, we get the people around us. So great. I thank you so much for your kind words, and I wish you grand success in the future, ladies and gentlemen. We welcome Kunal Munsif to our Carnegie Success Club, and with open arms, we are there welcoming him, and we wish him the grand success which he has outlined by entering the academy, with all the logic, with all the degrees, with all the experience in the world which he has got. But still, he questioned his myths, and he clarified. He's got the power now that he can truly start to think and grow rich, and whatever he wants to achieve, he can achieve. So I once again thank Kunal for your time, for being over here in this interview with me and sharing your insights. And we really acknowledge your presence over here in our community. Thank you so much for your time. If you also want to be a part of my academy, if you also want to be interested to know how we achieve these grand results, click on the link below and just register for our next upcoming program, and we'll make sure that we are committed for you so that you can achieve all your goals which you want to achieve, even if your logic says it's not possible. Well, that's Think and Grow It for you. My name is Siddharth Shah. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.